Thank you. Let's proceed from where we stopped. Now from there, I can see here, you cannot divide a number by 0. So when you divide it automatically, it will show to you error. So you can correct that one then and then. So it was F, which was F5. It was this one here. So you can say that F5, first put a equal sign. Equal sign. And then you see it is this F5, and then you divide it by 4. You can divide it by 4. Then you press enter. Automatically will give you the answer. But then for this case, you can even as well correct it. You can see that there was a mistake that was made from the formula here. So you can correct that. Like here is the average. So it means that it is if it was like if you want to get the average and it was an error, you can correct it. You can say it is like this. If you wanted, like in case you wanted to subtract, you would come E4, which is somewhere here, E4, or you come here, then you say equal sign, and then you check that E4, if you are subtracting, then you just subtract. Like for this case, I'm just giving an example. I can just subtract minus like that one there. So you press enter, then you get your answer. So that means you follow it chronologically. And then from here, you can see that there was an error made before, but as a result of dividing. At first, this one had been divided by the number, so it brought a error. So that error, like this one here, I can give you an example. When you divide this, then you try to divide it by, this, you can see that it is a error. So such a error, you can correct it. How? You have to come here. So you press that. Make sure this one has to be corrected. First, have first to correct it straight away. Make sure you correct that. You give it any number like 60. Then afterward, you can now do what you want. Find that you will get a right answer, for which when you come here, then you just drag it down, and then you get your answer. So basically, those are the things that you can make to edit errors that you may have in your micro or your Excel. So it is a simple case. Stay blessed as we meet in the next discussion.